Hi students, this is a little exercise that myself and Tom want you to do in preparation for next Friday's class. So if you go to your Engage community, this one here, you can see that you've all been registered on this, how to get to it. If you go up to your Outlook, you'll see the little panel up here, the app launcher. And if you click into that, you'll find Engage. If you don't see it here, just type in Engage there and you will find it. And because you have been registered on this Engage community, it'll pop up here, click into it and you find it here. Now, if you remember, myself and Tom at the class last week were encouraging you all to regularly engage with your Engage community. So I put this post up this morning, and this is a link to what is the TUDublin Revit 2025 template. Okay, so what I want you to do is, before you download this, I want you to go to your C drive. I want you to create a new folder, call it All Revit, and then within that folder I want you to create a subfolder, okay, and call it Revit template. Now you do that via this little icon down here. It brings you into your C drive here, and then new folder and so on like that. Okay, so you're going to create the All Revit, and then inside of this one you'll create a Revit template. When you've got that done, you click on this button here, and then it'll give you an opportunity to download. Okay, and then it gives you an opportunity to go and find, so you go and find your C drive, your All Revit, okay, and then your Revit template that you have created in here, and you pop that in there. All right, now once you've got that done, that's great, because you are going to now, and very important that you listen to what I'm saying here, you will use the template to create a project. I'm going to show you how to set this up so that you can do that. One of the mistakes that our first years make all the time is that they open the template and start to work in it. You never do that, okay? Never do that. There's a methodology where you create a new project and you select the template from which you want to create the new project, and I'll show you how to do that here now. So let's open up Revit. So again, now you need to be making an effort to get your laptops or PCs or whatever you're going to be using, laptops preferably, set up, download Revit, have it ready to go. This is your opening screen. Yours will be slightly different. It'll have all the sample projects down here. But what you're going to do is you're going to click into this button up here, right? Now that brings you into the GUI interface of Revit itself. And then you're going to go into the file command, because you're looking for options here. Okay, and then you're looking for file locations here. Now this is where we can add in a template. So if you hit the little green button there, then you will go down, you'll find the template where you have it stored on the C drive. Okay, and there it is there. That's been your Revit template subfolder, and you're going to hit open. Now what it does is that it places this down the very bottom down here, and if you use these keys, okay, you can move that template file up to the very top here. All right, now I've got a couple of versions in there at the moment, so I'm just going to go in there and delete that one. So what you want to do is make sure that your TUDublin Revit 2025 template is up at the top of this list here, and I've shown you how to do that. All right, now once you've got that done, what happens is when you come over here to go File, New Project, look what you've got. You've got your template at the top here. All right, now there's lots of other templates. We don't use these. This is the one that you need to use. You'll hit OK. Why do we use templates? Because we've got hundreds of different settings all set up, ready for you to go. All you have to do is start modeling. and you don't have to worry about dimension settings and visibility settings and project browser settings and lots of other things that you're going to learn over the next 10 weeks or so. We've got all of those set up, and that is the beauty of the template, is that you don't have to go in and reset these all the time. Okay, so that is your kind of drawing area there, and you can see that what I've got is the ground floor plan, and if you have that done and ready to go, that would be great. Notice up here that it's project 1, so the very first time you go to save this, it asks you to rename it. Alright, and we have a specific way that we like our project's name. So it is your name, and I'll just do mine as an example. So it's my surname first, a gap, capital letter of my second name, right? And here I'm typing out that. It is TECH1109 because that's the module that you're in, and you can call it just project 1. Something like that there. So it always starts off with your surname, capital letter of your first name, TECH1109, second semester that will be TECH1203, project 1, and we don't need your student number, your name or anything else like that, because when you go to submit some of the work that you've done, it's similar but slightly different in terms of the naming of that there. Alright, save that, and you'll see a change up here on the top. And what you can do is that you could see that when I was renaming that file, I have an opportunity to place that file where I can find it. So that's the file that goes into the all Revit folder rather than the Revit template folder. Okay, and there's the name change up there. So what you want to do is have those folders set up on the C drive, because that means we can save our template into the Revit template folder, we can save our projects into the all Revit, and so you know where they are when you need to go and access them for the second time around. Okay, so if you can get that done, have that ready for Friday, that would be great.